Okay. Oh, right.
Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
You the person that dealt with my secretary, how they come say back and forth to sedentary.
Yes.
And he said, we have a winner.
Yeah, we had one.
Excuse me. This is really strange. It's like for a arraignment today. And I knew this guy from his family about 20 years. And he called and confirmed yesterday, text me confirmed. He's like, responding. So, I don't know what it done. It's like, I hold him and I'm hoping.
Please rise. Anyone sitting before the council session, I'm running up the precinct.
Good morning, people. Have a seat. Jeff's out and about.
Sorry, sir.
I said Jeff's not in here. Maurice Marchand. Morning, council.
Morning, Your Honor. You're right on behalf of these. I did.
Okay, it is hot in here.
It's comfortable. Put ice in your coffee.
It's good.
It's your call. You tell me what you want me to do.
Yeah, it is warm in here.
Okay.
What's it read? Let's take a vote. Is it warm in here?
Judge, it's going to get hotter.
Turn it down.
You got a bunch of.
You're gonna get on the record?
It really get hot.
Turn it down. Turn it down. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. You got your heater out here.
no.
Well, we'll move your heater.
Yeah.
Good morning. What do we got?
Your Honor, counsel for Maurice Marchand. And here, we've been over the page unit. And we
All right. Okay. Mr. Marchand, do you understand your rights and options after discussing same with counsel? And do you understand the possible penalty for this charge? Are you pleading guilty to this charge freely and voluntarily today? All right. Counsel, would you like to voir dire to give me the facts that support the plea?
Marchand, you understand the charges that were brought against you? And do you understand that you entered a plea agreement here and that now in the next 6 months, that this matter will be dismissed, you will have no record, you will be proceeding.
Right. So tell me what happened. What rule or regulation did you violate on July 25, 25 at Metro? Yeah, what was the rule that you're pleading guilty to a rule violation? What was the rule that you violated?
You found it.
Yeah, I found glasses stronger, and I didn't turn them in, I gave them to the TSA, or I spoke to the TSA agent. And he knew I had them.
Mhm. You worked at the airport?
Yes. Good report there. Had a good standing with the TSA agents. But they didn't know I had them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So where was the problem at?
It was,
Your Honor, sorry.
Oh, you're all right. That's why you hire a guy.
Mr. Marchand was the reason hired at the Metro Airport. At the time that new hires report to Metro, they're given a handbook. And if they read it, it says in there that you don't take anything that you find on the premises home in the
Right,
future.
right.
Mr. Marchand.
You don't just tell TSA.
Yeah,
And TSA wasn't sharp enough to tell him that.
yeah, and it was an oversight.
Yeah.
Clean.
Who are you working for?
I work for a company called.
And you still have the job?
Yeah, it's-
Oh, they kept you on?
No, I didn't work for them. No, I didn't work. For
At the airport, who'd you work for?
the airport. I haven't worked for the airport since July.
At the time you found the glasses, who were you working for then? Were you working for somebody at the airport then? When you find, who? How long did you work for Prospect?
There. 2 to 3 months.
Okay, and you lost that job?
Yes,
Okay, and no prior criminal history? Okay. Anything either one of you fellows want to tell me before I sentence?
State that his record was clean, it's honorable, you can expect it wherever he worked before. And this is the unfortunate circumstance that we didn't appreciate what was in the hands.
Agreed. All right. So I'll delay sentence for 6 months. Stay out of trouble. Can you keep your nose clean for 6 more months? Court costs are assessed in the amount of $200. Can you pay that today? $200. Can you pay it today? Make arrangements downstairs. Have a good day, gentlemen. You're welcome very much, counsel.
And
Christopher, I'm going to pronounce it Strezlowitz. How do you say it? Say it again. Strudlowitz. Good morning. You're going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney. Is that correct? You've made a deal with the prosecutor. Is that correct? Let's see what it says. Okay, pretty good. You're going to plead responsible to a third charge, double parking. You've agreed to pay fines and costs of $150, and both the original charges from September 17 would be dismissed. Yes?
Correct.
Can you pay the $150 today?
I cannot.
Pick a date. Calendar right there. For $150 to get rid of a misdemeanor? No. Give me a due date.
I think my phone real quick.
Sure. Do it on a civil infraction.
December 12th, okay?
December 12th is a Friday. I like Fridays. All right, so understand if we don't have the money on or before the 12th, then both these charges are back up. You got to deal with them. Any questions?
Nope.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Emily McLean. Ms. McLean, are you going forward today without a court-appointed attorney? And you've made a deal with the prosecutor on your own? You made a deal with the prosecutor, correct? And you are going to plead responsible to double parking, and both charges from 9/29 will be dismissed. Is that the deal? You've agreed to pay the fines and costs of $230. Is that correct? Can you pay that today? Pick a date. Calendar right there if that helps you.
Discovered, well,
That Friday works for you? All right, you heard what I told the other guy. We don't get our money, the deal goes away. Any questions? Have a lovely day.
we just had a council walk in on it.
James Vaca,
That a V is in picture.
VACCA. Morning, counsel. Love that jacket. Love that jacket.
Thank you. Jeffrey Booth, I have James Pocket, who is president standing to my right.
Good morning, fellas. Counsel, tell me about the deal.
Okay, I had the prosecutor negotiated a deal to where my client would be pleading a check plea violation. And pursuant to the 771, under the delayed or deferred for 45 days.
Okay,
We'd like the court to accept that, please.
okay. Am I saying it right, Vaca?
Yes.
All right, did you discuss your rights and options? Oh, excuse me. Did you understand those rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? October 17, 25, were you at Metro Airport?
Was,
Were you at a checkpoint? At that checkpoint, did you have something in your possession you should not have had there? What was that? Satisfied?
Yes, sir.
Still mine. I'll accept the deal. What should I know about Mr. Vaca before I sentence?
Judge, Mr. Butler has reached out to me immediately, actually, because the son is in law school, independent of my law firm.
Good for him. Wish him luck.
He called in a panic immediately as soon as this happened. He realized as soon as he got there, he's the one that told them first. And he is a businessman in the area. He's never, as far as I know, never been in trouble before. Stand-up guy, and we got the court police to sentence as where he's been.
Yeah. Get your TSA letter?
I've not received anything from the TSA yet. Of course, there was a shutdown, so.
Yeah. Have you been told what to expect?
I know it's probably gonna be a pretty hefty fine.
And the weird thing is I haven't figured out on what scale they figure it out because it's like all over the board. It's like $3,000 to settle it, $6,000 to settle it. I don't know how they figure it.
I'm hoping first time
Yeah.
violation.
That's not gonna matter. That's probably not gonna matter, but I don't know. So if you're lucky, you just go, you fell through the cracks with a shutdown, you don't get a letter.
I'll take that luck.
All right.
Yeah.
And you've talked to the prosecutor about getting the pistol back?
Yes, he said.
Okay. All right. Council's probably told you this, but I'll probably have a half a dozen or more people in your same shoes today. This happens all the time. All the time. Yeah. So you're not a complete idiot. I mean, I know you've been, no, I mean, you've been kicking yourself in the seat of the pants over this, right? It happens. It happens. Yeah. All right. So you can keep your nose clean for another 45 days, right? All right. Court costs are assessed the amount of $500. Can you pay for it today? Go downstairs and get the first smile of the day out of that cashier.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good day, gentlemen.
45 days, I have to do either 1 month or 2 months, so I put in 2 months for the U.
You can't do a month and a half?
Good. Can we negotiate that?
It's 2 months.
Can we negotiate it down to what? Can we round out on one?
Sure, just because I love that blue jacket. Just get it from now. Have a good day.
We can order here, we sit downstairs.
Downstairs.
Thank you, Judge.
Kamisha Calloway. Miss Calloway, are you going forward today without an attorney? All right, let's see what you did. You made a deal with the prosecutor, right? All right, so you're going to plead guilty to a new misdemeanor, no valid operator's license on person, and the original misdemeanor from September 28 and a civil infraction from September 28 would be dismissed. Is that the deal? You understand the possible penalty for the charge? And you understand your rights and options? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? All right, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on September 28?
Yes.
And at that time, did you have a valid license on your person to show the officer that stopped you? I'll accept your plea. What is the status of your license now? Still suspended? What do you have to do to get it straightened out? Do you know?
I just have to pay the basic fee from the client, then I can go to the Thursday.
So you're real close. Okay. Are you working? Where at? How long?
I'm delivering other person guys. Well, not driving, over.
Got it. So you think you'll have your license straightened out by, okay. All right, well, let's switch gears for just a minute. You owe us money on other files. 2022 Huron Township charge. Oh, you got a date on it? Oh, she's got a warrant out. Huron? I don't have the file.
Oh, sorry.
Callaway, yeah. Look, we'll get you a court date on that one.
Yeah, why do we not have the
I
file?
don't know. And it looks like you also owe us money on a stop sign violation. You know about that one? Yeah, yeah. Are you in a position to pay that one or get a payment plan set up?
How much is it? Right?
276.
200.
Okay. All right. And then we're also showing that's today's ticket, isn't it? Okay, yeah. And then they're showing money due on this no proof insurance, but we're dismissing that one. All right, so I'm going to give you the deal of the century. How soon can you pay that 276?
Then get the rest of them. So I can pay it all.
All right, here's what I'm going to do. On today's file, fines and costs are $500. Or show me a valid driver's license. So I'll pay you $500 to get your license straightened out. But the deal is contingent on this 276 getting paid. So you pay the 276 in the next few days, get your license straightened out and come back and show it, and you don't have to pay the $500. No, that'll all go on the computer. So when you show up with the clerks, they'll take care of it all downstairs. All right, so you got it. You're gonna pay the 276. You're gonna get your license and you're gonna come back and show us the license between now and let's say December 5th. Deal? What's that? Yeah, but you should walk out of Secretary with something that says you have the legal right to drive, right? Yep, yep. Okay, good deal? Really, that's all? It's like a really good deal. Okay. All right, have a great day. Go downstairs if you want to make that payment.
December 15th.
Yeah. Romeo Spillman. Mr. Spillman, are you going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
You made a deal with the prosecutor? All right, so 3 civil infractions and a misdemeanor from September 29, 25 are going to be dismissed if you plead to double parking and if you pay the $400 you've agreed to. That's the deal? All right, when can you pay the $400?
December 20th. Start my new job till December 10th.
I can't give you the 20th because I'm not going to make a cashier come to work on Saturday. How about the 19th?
19th.
Friday? All right, we'll do it on the D file, Heather. D like dog. All right, where's your new job at? Oh, good for you. Good Benny's.
Went back.
All right. Last name is Spillman, Spill. All right, so $400 on the double parking. Everything else is dismissed, and I think you were in here. If we don't get our money on that, on or before that due date, then all these charges are back up. We got to deal with them, and the prosecutor probably won't give you a good deal anymore. Got all that? Any questions? Good luck driving the bus. You're good. Oh, the Huron one. Yeah.
You guys need to schedule her for that Huron ticket and remove the warrant.
Oh my God. I just took hand sanitizer all over the room. Dominique, is it Roos? Rouse, I had a 50-50 chance. Are you going forward today without a court-appointed attorney? You've agreed to plead responsible to misdemeanor, or no, plead guilty to the added misdemeanor of no valid operator's license on person, correct? We'll dismiss the Drovo license suspended in both civil infractions. Did you read your rights form today? Did you understand those rights and the options those rights give you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge today? Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on October 2? At that time, did you have a valid license on your person to show the officer that stopped you? I will accept your plea and dismiss the 3 original charges. Are you working?
Yeah.
Where do you work? How long you been there?
January.
And what's the status of your license?
It's not, it's dead yet. And the reason being is that I have a ticket from 2011. Highland Park. I'm not sure if you're aware of the infrastructure in Highland Park, but they give me the running.
Okay.
I haven't been able to contact anybody in Highland Park. I go there in person.
Have you tried online and see if there's anything you can do online?
It's like I'm gonna develop like the other courts, and then when you go in person, there's a sign like on your door.
Right.
Then you go to that building, the next day we'll call this number. I call the number most of the time, and I'll leave the traffic or court lady a message, and she never responds.
Yeah.
So I'm not able to
Here's what I'm going to suggest you do.
think that they're.
Here's what I'm going to suggest you do. Contact, just internet search, contact state court administrator's office. All the courts ultimately report to the state court administrator's office about the way we do things. Okay? So I'm a big fan of, if you're having trouble dealing with this organization, you go to the top of the chain and you say, hey, here's my complaint. Because if the people that have control don't know about the problems, they have no chance to get them fixed. Does that make sense? All right, so I would highly encourage you to reach out to State Court Administrator's office. I can almost guarantee, I don't know anything about Highland Park, specifically, but I can almost guarantee part of their problem is similar to what a lot of us are having. Our phone system sucks because we literally can't, I want a live body answering my phone every day. Can't do it. Yeah, but it's not every phone call. Okay, which in my business, I think every person should have a live body to talk to. My point is all of the courts are having trouble with money and staffing. Okay, so if you make the call to scale might come down, and that's enough pressure for Highland Park to go to their funding unit and say, look, we're getting heat from above now. We got to fix this problem. All right. Might not help you in the short term, but it might help the next you down the road. Okay. All right. So you've got one ticket. You got to get that cleared up before you can get your license straight. Is that what you're telling me? All right.
Thanks, something, Sean.
All right. I'm going to just choose battle. What do we do? I'm going to do straight fines and costs with you. Total on the file is $500. Can you pay it today or do you need options? Go downstairs, go to the counter, tell them you need options and they'll tell you what they are. All right. Good luck with the other one. You're welcome. You got a file for counsel yet?
I'm sorry, sir.
You got a file for him yet?
He's just an adjournment.
Jelani? Did I say it right? You going forward today without an attorney? All right, you're going to plead responsible to double parking. You've agreed to pay fines and costs of $245, correct? Doing it on C. Can you pay the $245 today? All right, I will dismiss the 3 original charges from October 3rd. I'm going to send you downstairs to get your smile from the cashier. Any questions?
Okay.
Enjoy your day. 245. Jamie, I don't know who to talk to, but that's getting very, very faint. I don't know if we can re-ink that style or I have to order a new one.
Okay, yep.
If it's not today's issue. Dismiss those. Lillian McDermott. Ms. McDermott, are you going forward today without benefit of court-appointed attorney? All right, you've agreed to plead guilty to retail fraud, correct? You understand your rights? You understand the options those rights present to you? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily today? All right, on the date of September 25, 25, were you in Van Buren Township? Walmart, Myers, what store? And did you try to take some merchandise from Walmart without paying for that merchandise? What was the merchandise? Are you working? Where do you work? Yep. How long you been there? Okay. Do you have anything on your criminal history? Ever been arrested for a misdemeanor or felony?
I have another case right now for, I think traffic.
That's just like a speeding ticket or something like that? Okay. All right. All right. So what was going on in September?
When I.
Yeah.
Between jobs and food stops.
Just for you? All right. How many hours a week you getting to Cedarwood? What's your living arrangement? You got stable housing? Okay. All right, the prosecutor recommending a delayed sentence so you can keep this off your record as a permanent conviction. I'll go along with that. Stay out of trouble for 6 months, no new criminal charges. You're welcome. What days of the week do you work? Floats? You got some flexibility then? All right, here's what I'm gonna do. Your court costs are $400 or do 2 days on our work program. So I thought you might like that option. So go downstairs, schedule those 2 days. Take care of that, stay out of trouble. This will stay off your record. Good luck.
So you want to fingerprint? Like,
Oh, yeah. Can you go to Van Buren PD today to get your fingerprints taken? Tomorrow by 3?
Thursday today?
Today's Thursday, yep. All right, so tomorrow, sometime between now and 3 p.m. tomorrow.
21st tomorrow?
Yeah. I mean, if you show up at midnight, they'll probably take care of you. You know, they're open 24/7. All right, you good? Okay. Paul Craig Jr. You ready on yours? Mr. Craig, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today? All right. Paperwork tells me that you're going to plead guilty to fail to report an accident on 9/11/25, and I'm going to dismiss fail to stop or identify. Were you involved in a property damage accident that day at or near Metro Airport?
Yes.
Did you report it to law enforcement as required? You did? Then why are you pleading guilty to fail to report?
here,
The,
Ms. McDermott.
fell down
On the parking? Yep,
and I was all in the told him, I'm 15 minutes scheduled.
right.
And they told me they care that later. And about 2 hours later, police stopped.
Okay, so you didn't report it to the police,
No, they didn't. No, sir.
but they weren't in an accident. You weren't in the accident.
I reported, still never reported.
Right. But you understand the law is the driver has to report to the PD.
Yeah, but on that 10-minute scale, they told me to keep going. And
Right. No, I understand the pressure you were under, but you also understand that technically you violated the law. Okay. I'll accept your report or fail to report plea, and I'll dismiss fail to stop. You still got that job? Okay. Okay. All right. Anything you want me to know before I sentence you?
My job, and we just want to keep my record straight.
All right. Well, this goes on your record. You understand that? No points. Right. Okay. Okay. All right.
But for how?
No, it's not permanent. I don't know how long it stays. Do you know how long the points stay on, Mr. Bowditch? I think it's 3 years now.
There's 2 years or 3 years, one's for insurance and one's for
Right.
subscription.
Right.
It's either 2.
No longer than 3. Understood? Okay. You still want to go along with this deal? All right. Fines and costs $150. Can you pay that today? Go downstairs, get a smile from my cashier. Question?
Judge, she did restitution.
Oh, thanks. You're all set?
Yeah.
All right. When can you pay the $50.81? December 5th?
Yeah.
You got it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Bowditch. How about we start with,
That is?
I don't know if I can find it.
Oh.
That's not even there. We're not going to waste time on record with that. Ms. Perez here?
You're not happy. She's already taken care of it.
All right, then we don't need to do this.
Then
all right.
we have, this gentleman who stood up, Mr. Uwiti.
Got him. Jimmy, come on up. You are you. Go ahead.
For the record, that's about appearing on behalf of and get this.
Can you tell us the name for the record? Jimmy Torres, you would be.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's the date time set for rain in this matter, waiting for reading standing. I also had a chance to brief and you have executed. In that agreement, Ms. Dia would be pleading guilty to the charge of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive a vehicle, with the understanding the original charge, driving a licensed suspended, would be dismissed.
Did you discuss your rights with Mr. Bowditch?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand those rights and the options they present? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle at or near the airport on September 23, 2025? If that's the date on your ticket, would that help? Okay. And on that date, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? All right. And is it still suspended, revoked, or denied? You got it reinstated. Awesome. All right. I'll accept the plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. Yeah. What should I know about Mr. Utria?
He went through the great pains, he needed to, got his license, but.
You working, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where?
Yankton automobile industry,
How long?
2 years and a half.
Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Fines that cost $550 and 4 days on the court work program in lieu of jail. You get to pick which 4 days you work. Can you pay the money today?
I think we found 200, Your Honor.
Go downstairs, make your payment, talk options on the rest. That's the same counter where you talk those options is where you schedule your work days. Do you have any questions? Good luck. Martinez. We have an interpreter on this one. I'll do it on the file ending in 73D.
73B.
D. Your name, sir?
I see.
All right, Mr. Heisley, raise your right hand. Spanish is the language? Do you swear or affirm that you will accurately translate Spanish to English, English to Spanish, so we can all discuss this matter today? All right. Explain that to Mr. Martinez. Mr. Martinez, are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
Yeah.
Are you going to plead responsible to double parking?
Yeah.
Have you agreed to pay fines a cost of $295?
Yes.
Can you pay that today?
Yeah, but I'd like to kind of make an arrangement so that I can be part of it today.
How much you want to pay today?
100,
Balance when?
lo demás, maybe 1 week.
How about, I'll give you till December 5th. That's plenty of time? Understand that if we don't have our money, then all these files that I'm getting ready to dismiss come back up. Any questions? Go downstairs and make your payment. Thank you, Mr. Heisley. Water.
Your Honor, Jeffrey Bowditch, 45367, appearing on behalf of, and with Mr. Gillis, sir. Name for the record. Thank you, sir. Your Honor, today's the date time set for arraignment in this matter was 2018 case, we ready for reading, stand needful. You also had a chance to pre-buy this case, Your Honor. And the prosecution of Gillenwater, you have an executed plea agreement subject to court approval. In that agreement with Gillenwater, the charge will give you the false information 7 years ago, with the understanding the open talks would be dismissed. Your Honor, in the meantime, Mr. Gillenwater have been for 18 months. And today is posting a $300 bond.
Thank you.
We are hoping that court might consider time served in this matter. The bond money he posted is his rent money. He did say he tried to keep on nails.
Did you post the money yourself though, or somebody posted for you? All right. All right. Do you understand your rights and options after discussing same with Mr. Bowdish? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of false info to a police officer?
Yes.
And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
On August 27, 2018, did you come in contact with the airport police? And at that time, did you give them some false information? What did you tell them that was not true? Gave them the bad name, wrong name? All right, I'll accept your plea to that charge, dismiss the companion charge, sentence you to 30 days in jail, give you credit for time you've already spent, and we'll return 90% of the bonds to you. So we keep a 10% bond fee. We get 30, you get the rest. You all set? Dulce.
Is it Dulcie?
Dulce.
Good morning, John.
Good morning.
Yeah, so Dulcie, is Dulcie station name?
Here,
Thank you.
This is our date, I'm set for the court date. For ringing purposes, we stand in.
Thank you.
Come to a resolution here. The argument will be dismissed, pleading guilty to the disorderly person.
All right. You understand your rights and options? And do you understand the possible penalty for disorderly person? And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily? All right, tell me what happened at or near Metro Airport on September 20, 2020 that makes you think you're guilty, or maybe you want a voir dire, counsel.
At that time, I'm here at the airport.
All right,
Yeah. Causing scene. That's right.
satisfied? I'll accept the plea, dismiss the B file. Are you working? Okay. What should I know about your client before I sentence?
She didn't know about this, she found out, came here, but it's, she's actually working, trying to become a foster parent.
Oh, good for you.
She has nothing else going on. Depending on the amount, she may be able to pay the fines and costs today.
Thank you. Anything you want to add to that? Okay. All right, fines and costs on the file, $565. We've got a bond of $150 that we will apply. So that leaves your balance at, what is that, $415? Can you pay that today? If I did the math correctly. Oh, you probably had bond on the other file. Was there bond on the other file as well?
I think she posted 150 on each.
I don't know. I've just got one.
150 on each file. So 300.
Okay. So can you pay the balance?
Yeah.
Today? Okay. In addition to the money, I'm ordering 20 hours community service. That means 20 hours of charity work. Church, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, any nonprofit registered with the IRS. You're living in Novi, so find someplace close to home. That's fine. You don't have to do it out here. Complete the 20 hours and get those hours documented and get that to us between now and January 1. Any questions? Good luck. Gillenwater owes us money on other stuff. I guess that. So he's downstairs waiting for his bond.
To him, and
Yeah.
they'll probably call you to see if you're returning it.
How about? Can't even read it. Wheeler?
Good morning,
Good morning.
behalf of, Mr. Williams, you want to say something? Thank you. This is Mr. Williams, court date, stand meeting completed. Pre-trial purposes, we may dissolve the state for about. And, Mr. Williams, to cooperate his license on.
Mr. Wheeler, do you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge today?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that added charge today? Sir, did you drive a vehicle, in Van Buren Township on September 2nd this year? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea to the added charge, dismiss the original charge. Thank you. What's the status of your record now? Still suspended? Do you know what you have to do to get it right?
Yes, I have a hearing.
Okay. All right. Are you working? Where do you work? How long you been there? Okay. Anything you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right, it looks like you owe us money on other files. 2022 failed to display license out of Van Buren Township, no insurance out of Van Buren Township, speeding. Total on those is $840. Are you on a payment plan now? Are you currently on a payment plan?
I didn't know about it.
Okay.
Be a Brian.
Yeah, Elijah Bernard. Okay. All right. So can you commit to some kind of payments? All right. Do that before you leave the building. All right. On today's file, anything before I sentence? All right. On this file, $550 and 4 days on the court work program. ISS work program is an alternative to jail. You schedule the work days, you pick the days you want to work. And on the $550, you can roll that into this big payment plan. Any questions? Take care of that downstairs. Ryan Malone. Oh, this is an adjournment, council? Oh, we need to arrange so we can get a date, new date?
Thank you. This is, arraignment. We stand in wait, read.
I'll enter a not guilty plea.
For our purposes. For personal property, on Tom's Day, she has no prior record. So that's so personal.
All right. Ms. Malone, you working? Where are you working? What time are you doing this on the 18th?
Which day are you looking at?
12:18?
Oh, 18, 9 o'clock.
Who's that with? How long you been at the restaurant? Okay. All right. I'm going to put you on a personal bond. A couple of obvious conditions. Stay out of trouble and show up for court. Other than that, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance. That includes alcohol and marijuana. So unless you've got a doctor's prescription, don't ingest. Got all that? Any questions? Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond? Any questions? You're all set. We'll get you a notice for that December 18th court date. Roy Truitt.
Morning, Toby, on behalf of Mr. Stewart, Mr. Stewart, Lord Stewart. Thank you. This is, Mr. Stewart. We have come to a resolution whereby the driving license is being dismissed, and Mr. Stewart will be pleading guilty to allowing that she can work under.
Thank you. Mr. Truitt, do you understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? And understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle at or near the airport on September 12, 2024? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. Are you still suspended, revoked, or denied? All right. Do you know what you have to do to get it back? What do you have to do? What's your time frame? Okay. All right. Are you working? Where do you work? I'm sorry? All right. How long you been there? All right. Full time? All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right, so on today's file, fines and costs $600 and 4 days on the court work program. I assessed work program as alternative to jail. You pick those scheduled days. On the $600, I'll waive 300 of that if you can show me a valid license between now and January 5th. So I'll literally pay you $300 to get your ducks in a row and get your license straight. Understood?
As far as the work, maybe like 30,000 some.
Say it again? No, that would be community service. That's charity work. Work program, you pick the days, you show up here at 8 o'clock in the morning, you go out with our crew for about 5-6 hours. All right? You can get more information about that downstairs. Good luck. Dennis, is it Danes? Denise Danes. Counsel, your appearance.
Trophies on behalf of Spain,
Denny stays.
Thank you.
Stand court date, you stand. Resolution here, I stand to be pleaded. This is advanced under 7-7.
All right, Ms. Danes, do you understand your rights? Understand the options those rights give you? You understand the rights and options those rights give you? So options for trial. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Understanding all those rights and options, are you pleading guilty today? Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? And you're pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? All right. On September 17, 2025, did you try to take some merchandise from a store in Van Buren Township without paying for it? What store?
The one on Belleville Road.
There's a lot of stores on Belleville Road. Myers. All right. And what was the merchandise? Okay. Satisfied, Mr. Starr? I'll accept your plea. Any prior criminal history? Okay. So what was going on?
Hungry. That's it. I'm
Okay.
hungry. I can't afford food. I can't afford food. I can't.
Not working?
It's on SSDI.
Okay.
That's all.
Long term?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. All right. Who do you live with on Jeremy?
My daughter.
Okay.
And her son.
Okay. Here's what I want you to do. Before you get out of here today, I want you to go downstairs and speak to Avery Taylor. Tell him that you're having trouble making that disability check work. It's not stretching as far as you need it to stretch. He's got some really good contacts right next door at Wayne Metro. And he'll be able to hook you up with somebody over there that you can talk to about some other resources. All right? Because I don't want you going to Myers to steal food. There are better options.
I do go and I did tell the officer when he handcuffed me and everything. That I did go to the food bank just prior. And I said, please do not take the food bank food and give it to my kids. I did.
Right.
Like first.
Right. Right. So let's find better options than that. All right. So talk to Mr. Taylor downstairs. All right. So the prosecutor recommended a 6-month delayed sentence. I'll go along with that. I'm going to suspend fines and costs. Understand this. If you get into more trouble between now and 6 months from now, that'll violate the terms of this deferred sentence. At that point, I'm going to sentence you on this file. Plus, you'll deal with the new problem. Understood? Any questions? Good luck. That's the last one I got for you, Trovius.
There is somebody on Zoom now.
Mohammed, is it Salem? Sir, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? You've agreed to plead responsible to double parking, yes? You've agreed to pay fines and costs of $400? Can you pay it today? Go downstairs, get a smile out of my cashier, and get on the way. Have a lovely day. Your misdemeanor is dismissed. You're welcome. Salim, S-A-L-I-M. Jimmy Thompson. Mr. Thompson, are you going forward today without a court-appointed attorney? All right, and you made a deal with the prosecutor? Says you're going to plead guilty to the added charge of no valid operator's license on person, all right? If I accept that plea, Then I'm going to dismiss 2 charges from October 3rd, 2025. Did you read your rights form? Did you understand those rights and the options they present? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of those things, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge? Did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township on that date? Was your license suspended, revoked, or denied then? I will accept your plea to the added charge of no valid operator's license on person. I'll dismiss the original 2 charges. What is the status of your license now?
I have a lawyer to help me get on that.
Okay, any idea what's your time frame? What are you looking at?
He said it was going into civil court, but in my first year.
Good luck. All right. Are you working? Where do you work? How long you been at Ford's? All right. Anything else you want me to know before I sentence you today? All right. I'm going to sentence you to $500 fines and costs and 4 days on the court work program. Work program is an alternative to jail. Can you pay the $500 today? All right. Go downstairs, pay your money, and talk to them about your work days. You pick which 4 days you want to work. Any questions? Have a good day. DeAndre Adams. Mr. Adams, are you going forward today without benefit of a court-appointed attorney? Did you read your rights form? You understand all those rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for today? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the added charge? Did you drive a vehicle at or near the airport on October 8th this year? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea. What's the status of your license now? So you owe them money, nobody else? Okay, are you working? Who? Okay, how long you been bartending? What a hoot. All right, anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you, sir? Happy birthday. My mother's birthday today. Ask me how old my mother is. 96. Yeah. Yeah. And I'll tell you what, brother, if you can see it the way my mother's seeing it, it's worth doing. Lives independently, drives. She's just sharp, man. Yeah, really, really good. She's not on any meds. I mean, she's like a freak of nature, actually. Yeah, she really did. Very disciplined lady. Yeah. Happy birthday to your daughter. Tell her she shares a birthday with a very nice lady. All right. You're welcome. All right. So on today's file, $500 fines and costs and 4 days on the court work program. Can you pay the $500 today? Go downstairs and talk about options. They'll also give you more information about the work program. Any questions? Have a nice day. So what are the plans for the birthday? Where are you taking her for the birthday? There you go. Thank you. Reginald Webb. Mr. Webb, are you going forward today without an attorney?
Sure.
You are going to plead responsible to the added charge of double parking, correct?
Yes.
You've agreed to pay fines and costs of $150, is that correct?
Yes.
Can you pay that today? Go downstairs and get yourself a smile and have a nice day. Thank you. Misdemeanor is dismissed. Tompkins. Good morning. Are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney? All right, it says here that you've agreed to plead guilty to failure to report a found article on October 1, 2025, and you've agreed to pay restitution of $349, correct? You understand your rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for this misdemeanor charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? On that date of October 1, were you at the airport? Who were you working for? All right, and you found an article of personal property that wasn't yours? What was it? Okay, and did you fail to report them or turn them in as required by airport rules and regs? I'll accept your plea. Did you lose your job? How long had you had it?
There for 7 months.
All right. Have you ever been arrested for any misdemeanor before? All right. Any felonies? All right. Are you working now? All right, where are you at now? Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you on this file?
Happy birthday to you, my.
Thank you. How soon can you come up with that $349? I'd rather have a due date. I'll consider a payment plan, but I'd rather just have a due date. Like by this date, you're gonna have the full $349 paid in restitution. Because that's not our money. That's not court money. That's fine. So next Friday, I'll give you better than that, December 12th. All right. Now, anything before I sentence on the file? That was just the money you agreed to. Anything before I sentence?
They're in my list.
All right, court costs assess the amount of $350, and I'm gonna order 4 days on the court work program. You pick the days. Can you pay that $350 within 2 weeks, or you need more time on that? Because I'll work with you if you need it. Another 2 weeks or the same 2 weeks? So let's go. I'll give you, how about an extra week? I'll give you till the 19th. All right, go downstairs and schedule your work days. Any questions? Good luck. I'm out of files, David.
Wait, so you got, I didn't even, you judge take direction? Yeah, okay, you're all set. Okay. You guys keep any pets? Yeah.
Apologize, you've been on the phone, but I've been talking to Shayla, and apparently they're going to take care of our phone run. They're taking care of it now, but I also got lights being worked on and
Okay.
fly problem, the voids being filled.
What are they?
Ken's Corner,
I'm sorry.
Ken's Corner.
Oh, very nice.
And plus we got voids in some of the seams in the upper half of the building was filling.
Just do adjournments that you did and
Okay, yeah, we're good for that, thank you. Let us keep the nerves, guys. Any and God, thank you.
So my mom's phone isn't working.
Oh.
Uh-oh, I think she had so many birthday wishes that probably get burned up the wall.
What is this, 95? 95?
96.
Wow.
God bless you.
He certainly has, Jamie.
And you're blessed to have a mother.
Absolutely.
He's got all of the deal on here. But why is little sweet?
Thank you.
It's done.
Hey, you from the talk? Okay. Well, we have a month and a half there, we have to do this, I can get a few as soon as you're done. Okay. No, I can give it muffin and sugar right now. Yep, okay, thank you, I'll be out in a minute, so. Okay, thanks. Everybody's got to run up, show them a couple of things on the building.
All right.
Bye.
Hey, is Tim out there? Oh, come on in when you can. Get Tim out of official rabbit beaches. These are our official receptacles for Ken's Corner. Probably not big enough for the way you feed that rabbit, but
Yeah.
we can give a little water.
Hey, pretty neat.
Well, what we could do is we could just use those for water. So when one freezes, we got another one to take out there and bring the other
Yeah.
one.
Cause I threw a whole bag out there to the carrots.
I saw them.
Cause you know what? I throw them out like once every other day.
Yeah. I haven't seen that rabbit in months.
But when I come in, the carrots I did 2 days ago, they're all gone.
Yeah, they're out there.
There's
Yeah.
something,
They're just-
someone's eating them.
Yeah, something's eating it. Yeah.
So, oh, that's nice.
Yeah, go ahead and take those.
Okay.
They're done with it out there. I just hope they put gravel under it.
Oh, did they? Oh, I didn't know they were.
Yeah, the pavers are there. I just hope they did it the way I asked them to. 'Cause
Yeah.
I wanted it, with the base under it and everything else. So.
Right. Instead of just throwing it on the grass.
Right.
Okay,
So we'll
thanks,
see.
Doug.
Yeah, you're welcome.
We naming rabbits, put their names on these
I'll leave that to you.
bugs and, okay, thanks.
When we first got rabbits at the house, I wanted to name them breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but I was outruled.
Nobody, accepted that.
Hey, Judge, listen to this. No. Ken got in the lion's pool, you know.
I'll tell you how bad my wife is. That sent me a text today, and she said, "What would you think about me trying to hire Jordan, who's my nephew's high school and is getting ready to graduate next year? Hiring Jordan to help me get all the stuff out of the attic and get my trees all set up."
Oh,
So she's not feeling well. And she's feeling under the gun because she's got nothing up yet. It's Thanksgiving.
yeah, I had to do mine, 'cause my nephews were over the other day. And, I'm like, hey, guys, let's go. So, we had them bring up everything, put everything in the garage and then all the inside stuff. And then the other day, when I was off, staff said, well, we can go through some stuff. I'm like, okay. So all my inside stuff is done.
Wow.
Do the outside. I mean, but ours isn't nothing like what you guys had to do. Big one, Sylvia.
I went downstairs and she had
she had one of the trees just like laying on the basement steps. I'm assuming this one's coming up. So I brought it up and I laid it right in the middle of the fire and it hasn't moved for 3 days.
Oh, wow. Is she
But
still on the
she
couch?
won't go over that. Yeah, she was doing laundry yesterday. She was up and about a couple times, but then she was asleep on the couch by 7 o'clock. And I don't know what time she came to bed. I think it was 11 o'clock. I just went to bed. And I think it was about 11 o'clock when she finally came up to bed. Do you know where we're getting our food from today?
No, I just saw that some small restaurant in New Boston.
Hmm.
Where's your? Okay, Jeff. Okay. All right, so we're in some seat, I'll say it. I'll let the judge know. Okay, thank you. Bless you.
Great.
I'll be with you 1 second.
Adjournment.
Can you remind Toby to get on Zoom?
Okay,
One of them is Wayne County Jail, so he'd like to get rid of them.
okay,
I mean, he's on Zoom, he just has to jump into that one.
okay. Seems like John there. Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. You're all set. That'll be there.
Well, the heat was on and it was nice and they turned it down. Do you want my heater? Yes. I have a heater.
I just need gloves.
Oh, so we're dismissing this. Did you tell the guy that he can go?
He has something else that he needs to talk to the judge about.
Oh, okay.
I told him to wait in the court call.
Alrighty.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Heather, there's two people on Zoom?
Yep, there's two people, and if you could talk to Earls first, she is in Wayne County Jail. Do you need me to move you in?
No, I can do it.
And what if we turn the air down to?
Pardon?
What if we turn the air down to?
I feel like about 50.
I know, it feels like it.
71.
Okay.
That's
What did he
Right,
click it to? Right, what did he click it to?
I don't know. It says 70 now, just click down.
Well, we can stop now.
What's that?
That was.
Just kick that 71. Must be.
We'll keep it at 71. Thanks.
They already left. Man,
We figure it out.
I'm waiting to talk to the judge.
Okay.
What time did that? What time does the school
The
start?
bus is about to pull up in a minute.
we have a lot out,
But
do we have a lot out there?
not too much. I'd say maybe about 5 or 6.
Oh, that's it?
Waiting to talk.
Oh. And Tobias is on Zoom now, so it's just Jeff out there. Ah,
I found yesterday, last night.
not that on the like the date always come on the back.
Sometimes you do.
That looks like you're looking through an airplane window.
Yeah, I'm trying to,
Somebody's
I don't know what that was, but yeah.
Who took the picture? Do you know that?
No, I don't, either my brother or my neighbor. But they both. I'm thinking my brother might take it. What is this? Oh, that's for the screen.
What's what? Oh, yeah. Crazy. Ooh.
Greases out those rooms up there. Oh,
Yeah, for Andrew.
Too simple. 11:30.
Who does? Oh, next door.
If they're still going.
You getting a confession out of Tim?
I am.
That his complaint is it's too cold in here. But
Reason.
Well, let's talk to the boss about
I
it.
know. Turned on. You turn it up to, down to.
He had it at 74, 75. I knocked it down to 7. If you want to knock it up, you tell me.
Well, we put it to 71 to hopefully stop the coldness. And I know Angela's freezing too.
We need to set up a conference call for Monday. What time do you think I should do? 2:30 or should I stretch it out?
Okay. 5 or 3 o'clock, I mean,
I'll do it.
yeah, 2, 3.
You got nothing ready for me?
There's one on Zoom that's it's dismissed, but he wants to talk to you.
That's fine. Mr. McDermott, go ahead and unmute, sir.
Hello,
Good morning.
good morning.
Mr. McDermott, are you going forward today without a court-appointed attorney?
Yes,
All right. The prosecutor has asked me to dismiss this misdemeanor charge against you from October 28, 2016. I'm assuming that's all right with you if I dismiss it?
yes.
All right. You have any questions?
I have another charge from whatever happened during that time, but I was never in Michigan. Like I was in Austin, Texas that whole year, and I know who it was that put that.
Oh, somebody using your ID?
Yes,
All right. So that would be the the no proof of insurance ticket. Is that the one you're worried about?
yes, I think so.
Is this you? Go ahead.
Yeah, I didn't have that on the docket, I assume it's in the fall.
It is.
But yeah, he's indicated that it's brought up with an issue with. I don't know if the board want to dismiss that one as well.
I'll set aside the default and dismiss it, Mr. McDermott.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day.
You as well.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
I push leave. Do I push?
I got you. I got you. Dunbar.
Angela may have gone back to people.
Your Honor, for the record, Jeffrey Bosch appearing on behalf of Mr. Dunbar in place of the attorney of record, Ms. Medina, for these proceedings alone, Your Honor.
And just, I can explain it.
Yeah.
So what happened was last time we were here.
Mr. Dunbar, you can come on up.
The conversations prior to.
Right.
Let me try. Part of the lesson.
Yep.
She had, was reduced age student, disorderly person, I indicated I was agreeable to that on the condition that Mr. Dunbar
Mhm.
pay the restitution.
Right.
Mr. Dunbar was for the disorderly person and is now, Mr. Bowden is indicating he's not agreeable to paying the $4,000 in restitution.
Yeah.
Based upon that, I would ask the court to set aside his plea.
Yeah, we can just go back to the larceny. Yeah, yeah.
But no,
Oh, hold on. You gonna use the attorney or not? Okay. We got a file for this arraignment?
It's for, it's an actual on the docket.
Oh, it's not an arraignment?
No, it should be,
Yeah, I got it.
When she came back in, my guess is they discussed restitution.
You were fearless.
we was already done.
You were to play this time. And there was issue as to the restitution. So Judge, the issue the whole time is when the restitution.
Right. It's easy. Either she made an offer based on the restitution. If you don't want to pay the restitution, the offer goes away. You just back where you were to start with.
Even though the case was already closed.
What case is already been?
You had already,
I don't believe the restitution was initially discussed.
yeah, it wasn't discussed, John, because I'm just saying here.
I'll tell you what, have a seat and we'll pull up the record. Have a seat, we'll pull up the record. It'll be a while.
Yeah.
Yeah.
he was given the notice for they were, I just want to be the.
I want to hear what the plea was all about. So I got to go back to the day the plea was taken so we can hear the plea.
Okay, that'll be at the end of.
Yeah, he's gonna have to wait. Yeah. All right, we'll get it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Starr, are you ready on Earl's on Zoom?
Because I'm ready on Earls and the, other matter associate.
All right.
Other matter associate.
Ms. Earls, you can hear us okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Counsel, your appearance.
On behalf of Mr. Earls, Mr. Earls, take your name. Mr. Earls?
Just state your name, Ms. Earls.
Pawnee Earls.
Thank you.
This is, the court date, red purpose standing with Reed. Got a plea offer here where Mr. Earls will plead guilty, to charge of retail fraud, with the recommendation of counsel.
How long you been in, Ms. Earls?
It'll be 20 days on the 26th. That's my release date.
All right. Do you understand your rights and options?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand the possible penalty for the charge of retail fraud?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to the retail fraud charge today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Did you try to take some merchandise from a store without paying for it on October 25, 2024 in Van Buren Township?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel? All right, I'm going to sentence you to 15 days in jail, give you credit for the 15 you've already spent, and close this file out. Understood?
Yes.
Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Lenny Ruiz.
Morning, Your Honor, before we start, we ask Mr. Ruiz.
R-U-I-Z.
Say his name. Then. Before I. Then, we. Yeah, the arraignment stemming with the briefing. We come to a resolution whereby the cycle enforcement officer will provide a license.
Right.
Session. The accident will be completely dismissed, and he will plead responsible for declaring the style of the shirt for this.
All right. Sir, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Starr? You understood those rights and options? You understand the possible penalty for the no valid operator's license on person charge? And are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle on October 18, 2025 while you were unlicensed or without the proper endorsement? Satisfied, counsel? I'll accept the plea to no ops, dismiss the original charge. You're also pleading responsible to fail to stop assured clear distance ahead, correct? The civil infraction? All right, and I'll dismiss the fail to stop at a property damage accident. The fail to stop within assured clear distance is $195. Can you pay that today?
Dave, I bet you could say, 24.
How about by December 5th? All right, what should I consider before I sentence on the misdemeanor charge?
Your Honor, came before on time, this is the incident where traffic accident, we did stop and just pulled over.
Yep.
So that's why that got dismissed.
Okay,
Working on getting his license.
good.
Was working at the airport, it's not working.
Are you not working anywhere now?
The job company's waiting for this process to pull, see if we get it done.
Okay,
Yeah, tell them that,
good luck there.
stay, take a class to get those 2 points off.
All right, anything else I should consider?
No prior criminal record.
Thank you. All right, on the misdemeanor file, fines and costs $350 and 4 days on the court work program. Can you pay that $350 by the December 5th date too, or do you need more time? Both, all of it by December 5th? All right, go downstairs and make arrangements for your work program. That's an all.
Yeah, the name of the thing, work for it. That's the same, like you service if you do it. You put up to thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir.
Present, so I have a very, all right, steps.
Yeah.
You probably came today then.
I haven't been down there, but this is,
Yeah, I must need a record.
Thanks.
you want me to go down and check, Judge?
I'm calling.
Oh,
Hey, has Rosemary been here with the new independents? Okay, thanks.
Hello. He was in Missouri. Yes. Wait, but no. But no, it's just.
He's awesome. Well, she can dedicate. Good.
Okay, then hold on to that area and then the jug function, unless I'm. Okay.
What is making you sign that says, all right, but she's probably me, I don't know, I forgot my phone number. I don't, yeah, he's in the Washington County Jail. What's the name out of here? Belleville, it's out, yeah, I have.
James,
Yes,
thank you for handling that.
okay,
I think, but just if you write down on the post the name and um. So. John. Where you at?
Mr. Hampton, Mr. Hampton, you have to please, can you still let me?
Yeah.
Same bill.
It's on.
Good, it is. Thank you.
yeah. Hold on, no, we're all tied up. She. I said.
So.
Right.
So she doesn't get where.
Oh, what?
And so I'm gonna have a institution, so what had happened is he came in,
Mm-hmm.
Jeff forgot to talk about restitution. And you were in the process of contacting the victim,
yes,
so you came around and said, hey, what happened?
Yeah.
He sat in the office, we waited a minute, you put the full embrace, we set today's hearing.
okay,
So,
Okay.
so no monies were talked about on that day
okay,
and how much.
okay, so but my agreement with Crystal
Right,
was that, so.
so Crystal knew the money amount?
No, Crystal didn't know the money amount, but she knew the plea was contingent on him agreeing to the restitution. There was some miscommunication between him and, between her and Jeff, that is, I explained that to Jeff repeatedly.
Well, Jeff
What, it
came in and apologized.
Yeah,
I'm sorry,
But my offer of disorderly person was only if he agreed to the restitution.
Yes, okay,
So, I mean, I don't know if it's, you know, what we're gonna do with that, but
All right, I'll go grab the bathroom.
Thanks. Yeah, just tell Jeff I'm ready to talk about it when he's can get his guy in. Thanks.
so here's this, if the.
Last name, sir?
I got it. It's a continuation. Yeah.
Went for a bench trial.
So we probably need Miss Manorino. Who are you, sir?
You gotta have a seat back. Okay, thank you. You can check these things. She's already need to cover.
Who's red shirt? Who are you? Are you on this case?
No.
Okay. All right, so we're back on the record with Mr. Dunbar's case. All right, so Heather listened to the record from the day the plea was taken, and there was no restitution number agreed upon. We set it for a hearing today. Okay.
my conversation with Mr. Dino was that if he had to be agreeable to the restitution in order, so when we talked
Right.
about it, she said, I am.
Right. Yeah. So here's where we're at. If you want the deal, which was the disorderly and the larceny goes away, then we'll have a hearing and I'll determine what restitution should be. If you don't want to roll that dice, then that's fine. You're just back to where you were when you came to court last time. You have a larceny charge.
Not to get hearing, stipulate the amount, and I have the document.
Oh, okay. All right. Do you understand that? Your option is take the disorderly and pay the restitution, or you got a larceny charge, you got to deal with larceny charge. That's your option. What was the number?
$4,087.
On piece of paper, on the plea inside the file.
Yeah, he just said he didn't want to take, he don't want to pay restitution. All right, so we're back on with a larceny charge. You want a trial on that? All right, do you understand that you have a right to a bench trial or a jury trial? Yeah.
Sure, this is me, and all, if I don't want to speak for her schedule, this is her case. We just take it back to another pretrial.
No, because then I'm just kicking it down the road. We'll set it for trial after we talk to her, but I'm not going to give it another pretrial just to pick a trial date. No, that's what I'm saying. I'm not going to give you another pretrial. This case already goes back to May. I'm not going to give you another pretrial just so you can talk to her. So if you want to talk to her, I'll let you make a phone call so you can talk to her. Go ahead. I'm not going anywhere. I got all kinds of files. See if you can get a hold of her. Tell her that the deal is not going to happen because you don't want to pay restitution.
One second, Your Honor.
Yeah, I don't have a file up here that's ready to go.
Would you like to say, the right of.
Oh, it's in this file. How do you say it? Thank you. Is that Jeff's?
That's why I didn't want to leave for us.
Yeah, come on.
Mr. Kreitzer will get you up here as soon as we get Mr. Bowditch back.
You to see who Chuck.
I did.
If you're done?
Yeah.
There's no more for you. Yeah, no, yeah, please, see.
All right, Mr. Bowditch, your appearance for Mr. Kreitzer.
Sir, could you tell that again, right?
Christopher Michael Kreitzer.
Right, sir. Your Honor, today's date, in this matter, Your Honor, question today.
All right, Mr. Kreitzer, you understand that you do have a right to a jury trial. And you understand the difference between the two. And you're gonna waive the jury so we schedule for a bench trial? Heather?
At 11 a.m.
All right, we'll get you a paper notice in just a minute on those. Looks like you owe us money on a couple old files, 2016 Romulus civil infractions. You know about those? $872 total, registration or plate violation and no proof of insurance from 2016. Are you in a position to commit to some kind of payments? What, monthly, weekly? How do you want to do it? How much? When can you start? Pick a date. All right, go downstairs and make that official, get some paperwork before you go. After we give you your notice on this one. Mr. Starr, are you ready on teats?
Yes, I am ready. Good morning, Your Honor. Trovia Star on behalf of Mr. Teets. Mr. Teets, state your name.
Mr. Teets, say your name.
Michael Teets.
Thank you. Go ahead, counsel.
We stand mute, waiting for a reading. We've come to a resolution whereby the no plate and no proof of insurance will be dismissed and the driving while license suspended will be reduced to no operator's license on person.
Thank you. Mr. Teets, do you understand your rights and the options those rights present to you?
Yes.
And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of no valid operator's license on person?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
Sir, did you drive a vehicle on September 9, 2025 in Van Buren Township?
Yes, sir.
At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, sir.
I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charges in keeping with your agreement.
Thank you.
What's the status of your license now, sir?
It's suspended.
Are you working?
No, the day I was working on that car to try to get everything back together, and I was transporting it back to my house because I bought it in unrunning condition. And the day that
We're losing you. Your audio's going.
Your Honor, what he wants to say is that he got into an accident and he sustained broken ribs. He's not
Okay.
working right now because he has broken ribs.
Okay. All right. Did we lose a connection, Mr. Teets? There you are. You back?
Yep. Yep,
Okay.
I'm back.
All right. So you're not working now. Where were you working when you had the accident?
I was working for AFM Heating and Cooling,
How long had you been with the company?
7 years.
All right. So you're going to go back to work with them once you get healthy?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Anything?
Once I'm cleared to drive by a doctor.
Right. Anything you want me to know before I sentence you?
No, sir, other than what I just explained.
Yeah,
All right,
he's
what
not
do you
driving
have to
right
do to
now.
get? I'm sorry, Mr. Starr.
Yeah, he's not driving at all right now.
Right. What do you have to do to get your license straightened out?
I have a hearing coming up. Well, I applied for the hearing. They haven't given me a date for that yet. And that's as far as I know right now.
All right, anything you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, I mean, I explained everything in my current situation.
All right. All right, fines and costs on your file, $500. I'm ordering 30 hours community service or charity work between now and February 1. That means hook up with some nonprofit charity or more than one, churches, soup kitchen, Salvation Army, those types of places, registered IRS nonprofits. As to the $500, do you need some kind of payment plan?
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, go to our website. I mean, you can come in person and do it. It's easier if you can get here, but if not, get on our website and start that communication on our website about a payment plan.
Okay, I definitely will.
Any questions for council before I terminate the meeting?
No, sir.
Good luck.
Trovius, did you chat?
Huh?
Did you find chat?
Did I find who?
Go stab first. She's in Wayne County Jail.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
What's the last name again?
Postab. Hey,
I don't know why my signal's. Alicia?
yeah,
Okay.
thank you.
Let me try to work on you real quick then. What's the status of your license? I'm good. You're good?
You're not.
I knew that.
I think it's a hoot that he starts every case with Mr. So-and-so's here for his court date.
Just let me know if you showed up. Because when Mr. Cheats called, he's like, I'm way down in the flat one. And I'm thinking, I can really, right where you're at. But he, and his rides keep going
So he says.
on. Right.
Well, what kind of asshole are you that you can't find anybody that can rely on to get you to court, take care of your business?
Yes.
My officer and the defendant are here for that formal. I don't know if Judge wants to get started on that while we wait for them to finish house. Okay, I'll get it, send it in.
You just like you.
Oh, wait, no, I'll offer it, not an option.
Oh.
Nope, nope.
I was thinking the same thing, Jamie. I'm like, hey.
Nope. No.
You know the name?
Miller?
Yeah.
You want?
Yes. I get these paper.
Christopher
Yep.
I got it. Allison Osborne from the German.
Osborne?
Yes, sir.
You can scratch, yeah, Miller. Formal hearing. Did you have it?
Christopher Miller.
Yeah. Christopher Miller, come on up and have a seat right here.
Sir.
Just make yourself comfortable. Good morning. Ms. Manarino, your appearance. All right, I've got two files that are the same. So we've got, oh, we do have two stop sign violations.
Yeah.
All right, so we're doing formal hearings on two sign violations from the same date and a speeding ticket, correct?
Yeah.
All right, and you're ready for your, sit. You ready for your formal hearing, sir? All right. Let's go.
Well, officer,
Officer, come on up. Raise your right hand. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth. Settle in right here. Watch your step on my ramp.
Thank you.
When you're ready, Miss Manarino.
officer, can you state your name for the record, please?
Michael,
Are you employed?
yes.
Where are you employed?
Editor Township.
What do you do there?
Police officer.
How long have you been self-employed?
6 years.
Other than being your township, have you worked for other law, any other law enforcement agencies?
Yes.
Where?
For a police department.
How long are you with PD?
Approximately a year and a half.
At Van Buren Township, are you assigned to any specific unit within the police department? And what is that?
Traffic unit.
How long have you been so, assigned? Were you on duty in the early morning hours of July 24th of this year, about 4 o'clock in the morning?
Yes.
At that date and time, you recall where you were?
Yes.
Where?
Lancaster, just like Road.
That's the location within Van Buren Township?
Yes. And over, Stubbornly.
At that date, time, and location, did something happen that caught your attention?
Yes.
What were you doing in that date, time, and location?
Connecting stationary radar, for complaints that we've been getting in the neighborhood for speeding and stops and violations.
And what caught your attention?
I observed a pickup truck turning south on the Lancaster from Tyler Road at Highway.
Did you do anything to confirm if that vehicle was traveling well with the posted speed limit?
Yes.
What did you do?
I had my in-car radio positioned on the front of my vehicle, pulling at the vehicle.
Your radar.
Yeah, my in-car radar.
Did you do anything at the start of your shift to ascertain if that device was working properly?
Yeah, I can get a test of it.
Did it have? Did you do anything at the end of your shift to confirm that device was still operating?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Conduct another test of it with false fence.
Oh. And did the radar device indicate to you the speed at which the vehicle was traveling?
Yes.
What was it?
Top speed was 68 miles an hour.
What is-
25 mile an hour.
Okay, so that vehicle was traveling 43 miles over the speed limit.
I didn't do the math, but check it out.
Other than the speed, did you observe the vehicle do anything else that made you concerned about the manner in which it's driving?
Yes, there's 2 stop signs that the vehicle bypassed at that speed.
When you say bypass, what do you mean?
Failed to stop or attempt to stop. Kept the same speed as it bypassed the stop sign.
And this is a residential area?
Yes, Lancaster, is inside Andover subdivision.
Based upon your observations of the vehicle traveling 68 miles an hour in a 25 mile an hour posted zone and disobeying 2 stop signs, did you take any action?
Yes, I stuck in the traffic stop.
Did you have contact with the driver of the vehicle?
Yes,
Did you obtain identification from the driver of the vehicle?
yes.
Do you recall any names on that? That's what.
I do not recall that.
Is that something you would have documented on your ticket?
Yes,
Would it refresh your recollection to review your ticket?
yes.
May I go through it?
Sure.
Risk me not.
So officer, did the reviewing your ticket refresh your recollection as to the name of that investigation? And what was that?
Christopher Miller.
Do you see Mr. Miller present in the park today?
Yeah, you sit down right behind you.
Where at?
Let me see.
Your Honor, let the record reflect that the officer did not try to defend him.
Noted.
Did you have any conversation with Mr. Miller, to find out why he was driving that way the way he was?
Yes.
What, if anything, did he tell you?
I believe it was his girlfriend, was a female passenger. She had a laceration, I believe through her leg. I don't remember which one. But he was coming from a distance away, and he wanted to get a bandage from her, which was at the house where they were headed to, that's it.
Did you offer any type of medical assistance to them?
He had also offered if they wanted an ambulance to come check her out or go to the hospital.
Did they take you up on that offer?
No, they refused.
So Mr. Miller indicated that he was driving over 40 miles an hour above the posted speed limit to going enough bandage for his girlfriend?
Initially, yeah.
And you said they were coming from a distance away?
Yeah, I believe it was another house in Detroit. So I think it was about a 30-minute drive or at least. So they I also advised me bypass stores that were open 24/7 like the CVS that's located at Belleville and North Service Drive, as well as hospitals that they could have went to.
Did you find this excuse about needing no bandage to be justification for the manner?
In my personal opinion,
I know, I covered it, yeah.
All right, Mr. Miller, do you have any questions for Officer Edge? Okay, officer, you can step down. Mr. Miller, do you have any witnesses? All right, thank you, I'm sorry. And are you going to testify? It's your hearing, you run it. Yeah, that would be your testimony. All right, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm tell the, no, that's all right. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth? Go ahead.
I'm trying not to put my foot in my mouth as I did in the first court. I'm trying to plead my case. Was I guilty? Yes. Was there a good explanation in my eyes as a human? I can only think so. The person I was with, even like the hit stand, the other officer, her bone was actually showing in her leg. It wasn't just a little laceration. She refused to go to the hospital because she had no medical insurance and she couldn't afford the foot bill. She was a single mother and she wasn't getting a bandage. She was going home to really stitch herself. That was her goal, was to stitch herself. And I was, if you check my record, I don't cause trouble. I'm a full-time single father of four, as she was not my wife, she was a friend of mine. I'm a full-time single father of four. My biggest thing is my license, because I do a lot, like in the summer I do valet at the airport. This is a lot of points. I'm not just somebody that's causing chaos.
But hold on. I only have two options today. I find you responsible, I find you not responsible. You're sitting there telling me you did everything they're charging you with, and I can't find you not responsible when you admit it. So that means you're going to get 3 points for each one of the stop signs and probably 4 points for the speeding ticket or more. So I don't know what negotiations got you to this point, but a formal hearing is not what you need to do.
I'm just a human, and I'm sorry.
Just so the court is aware, based on my conversation with Officer Ed, there's not a reduction that we would offer in this case. Yes.
All I can help you with, brother, is fines and costs. I can't do a thing with points. That's between you and Secretary of State. No, don't apologize. I'm just letting you know that.
Just the person,
Yeah.
just father, just the human.
Yeah.
Got caught one bad situation, it's in the road, that's all.
Yeah.
No, I was just trying, I got it.
I don't know what to tell you, guy. I mean, I understand what you're telling me, but to be perfectly honest, and I don't mean this to sound as criticism, I would have wrote him for reckless.
He was trying to show me,
Yeah.
The only reason I got any type of issue was that officer, because her phone really wasn't having it. It's not a joke.
Yeah. No, I believe everything you're telling me. Listen, I believe everything you're telling me. I'm just using my 20/20 hindsight to say there were a lot better things to do than go 43 miles over the posted speed limit in a residential area to try to get her home where she could take care of her leg.
I don't know what to say. I was just trying to say it as much as I could.
I don't even have any legal justification for what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna find you responsible on one stop sign violation and the speeding ticket, and I'm gonna dismiss the other stop sign violation.
Like I said, so I know I'm not, this is like something I do on a regular, I'm not doing 25. I'm just, and Mr. Evans played in the last player, see, I understand he had a job.
He's a pro. He's a professional. That's what I expect him to be. You know, I expect him to be respectful and nice.
No, it was not.
All right, so I'm gonna find you not responsible on one of them. B. Yeah, so A and C are responsible. I'll waive fines and costs on the stop sign and no, you, dude, I love my job, so that's all right. There are bonds. So I'll return bonds on A and B. We'll keep the money on C.
You found him responsible on A.
I'm suspending fines and costs.
Oh.
Yeah.
I do what you think, sir.
You understand where we're at?
Probably,
So I'm keeping $245. I'm giving the rest back to your dad. Unfortunately, like I said, points are between you and Secretary of State.
you know, like, and it's saying that, again, I'm just saying, like, when you say that, like, what does that mean? Like, is there something, are we still more?
No. Well, I don't know.
Not what you get, I'm trying.
Yeah, Secretary of State might have something, I don't know.
Sort of like maybe.
I don't know if they do that after there's been a hearing. I don't know. Yeah.
My best bet is now.
Well, I think your only bet is to check with Secretary of State and see if there's any way to keep the points from going on.
Yeah. That would be just going up and everything.
Oh, it's terrible. Yeah. Your insurance will go up at least 50%. Yeah.
About 30.
Good luck. You're welcome. Be safe. We got anything else ready, Jamie?
No?
You're all set. You're all set. Go downstairs and wait for somebody to call the name and give you some bond money back. No. That's what I'm here for. Hey, Jamie, is that Mr. Dunbar out there on the rail?
Well, is it the one talking about Medina?
Yeah.
Well, he's sitting right next to him. You want him in?
I want to get him out of here. So if he's talked to Medina, I just need him to tell me what kind of trial he wants.
Yeah.
I just want to get you out of here. So I just need you to tell me, wait for Mr. Bowden, sir. Just have a seat. See an adjournment?
Yes, and I'm leaving as soon as he's done. I'm leaving to go get,
Okay. Where are we getting to that?
pick the nice place in New Boston, apparently turkey, mashed, that's kind of some kind of Thanksgiving treat.
He just wants to know from where.
I can't answer them.
So you don't know where you're driving?
I don't even have an address. Wow, you know what, Judge, I said, I'll talk to you in private if we can get some privacy. The boss has spoken.
Just
I haven't even got an address yet. I just know it's in New Boston.
I'm sure somebody will let you know when you pick up a check.
Well, when I go to get the card, I'm sure she'll give me an address and then I'll call 2:15 here and advise. the
Report.
boss.
Yeah. So we have a new juvenile probation officer,
Oh, do we?
Is it,
Scott.
Was he here yesterday? I saw the lights on. Adjourn for just.
very good.
You know him?
My brother went to the academy. My brother was a dare officer. He was a dare officer in Wyandotte, and I was a resource officer with the sheriff's department. So one day I decided to go do a program in the Heights with my brother. Then me and him packed up and went to Wyandotte.
Oh, nice.
Wyandotte, and we got all hung up.
Nice.
I've never heard anything back.
Nice. No, I haven't either. And I kind of looked,
As long as I know him, he's always very good with the students. Yes, very good at what he did.
well, he seems passionate about it.
So I give a thumbs up from what I know of him, how I know him.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think that's it. I gotta check.
I got a lot of files up here.
We
Wow.
have 3 on Zoom.
We don't have anybody in the hallway though, I don't think.
Tell me the Zoomers, I'll pull the files.
I think this is more.
Post, H-O?
No, I'm sorry, Hosab?
COSAB, K-O?
Yep.
Yeah, Alicia, what else?
Yoder, Y-O-D-E-R,
Yeah.
and Lewis, Robert Lewis.
All right, Yoder, what was the third one? I'm sorry.
Lewis.
Lewis, yeah. Got it, okay. Robert, not James.
No, it says Robert.
So the only Lewis file I've got is in warrant status.
Probably, that's probably him.
Start bringing one in, Mr. Bobby, just bring in another in and we'll take care of him also.
You're stopping think it's 2026.
Yes.
We're not even telling CT now.
We should have flying vehicles now, besides the drones.
The Devon Cooper.
Cooper?
Stars walking in.
Cooper?
I'll stretch. Thanks.
The jail is up next, I have.
Thank
She's
you.
right, she's right.
Yep, thank you.
Are you ready on Cooper?
Yes. Good morning, I'm Troy, on behalf of Mr. Cooper, the police station in Ron Cooper.
Thank you.
Mr. Cooper's Raymond, Fort Davis, Dan Euclid from Marine. Come to a resolution whereby the driving license application be dismissed. The plate violation can be reduced to double park.
Thank you. Pepper, I'm gonna do the double parking on the B ticket.
So the fine is $150, correct?
That's the agreed upon amount, correct? Can you pay that today?
No, not today, maybe Friday.
Tomorrow? How about I give you till next Tuesday afternoon?
I'll do you one time.
Next Tuesday, give you enough time? If it doesn't, tell me. A month?
It's possible.
How about the 19th of December? That close enough? All right, understand if we don't get the money then, on or before that date, then this deal goes out the window and you gotta start over. Understood? All right, you also owe us money on some other files.
Yeah, it looks like you owe us just under $800 on a 2023 fail to display license and 2024 fail to display license. Are you in a position to set up some kind of monthly payment amount to get those cleared up?
Payment plan.
Yeah, how much per month?
Sorry.
How much per month can you do?
Probably like.
You want to start that in January?
Sure.
All right, go downstairs and you can make arrangements on that. All right, any questions? You're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bring it on, discuss.
Right here, Judge. Thanks, Scott.
Thank you. All right, your appearance for Miss Kozub.
Oh, you start on behalf of this,
Get the Valerie.
Yeah.
for waiver purposes, we stand mute with the reading. We're asking for a final settlement conference.
Gotcha. Miss Kozub, can you hear me all right? Where is she? She's gone.
No, she met with out here. Hold on.
Breakout room?
There we are.
Oh, she's got an exam coming up. All right. Miss Kozub, can you hear me all right?
I can hear you.
All right. Go ahead. Say that again.
Told you to start on behalf of this coast, stand mute with the reading. We're asking for a final settlement conference with the victims to be present.
Another date?
When is her vacation?
Her exam is December 3rd.
The prosecutor wrote on the sheet 1218.
Oh, yeah, she did.
Well, 18 will do 8:30 just in case if she's still.
Yep. Yep. Miss Kozub, you got that? December 18th, 8:30 in the morning.
Okay, thank you.
That's with us.
Yes.
All right. Any questions for counsel before I terminate?
No, Your Honor.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Dunbar, just trying to figure out what kind of trial to schedule.
He had, notice accepted.
All right. Mr. Dunbar, have you discussed with Mr. Bowditch the different kinds of trials you can choose? There's a bench trial or a jury trial. You understand the difference? There's two kinds of questions that get answered at a criminal trial: factual questions and legal questions. So the factual question would be, I don't know. Was the damage that was done by an automobile, or was the damage done by a herd of wild horses? That's a factual question. All right. A legal question would be, does that law apply or does this law apply? You with me? Okay. So with a bench trial, I make all the decisions, or whoever the judge is. I make the factual question decisions. I make the legal question decisions. They're all my decisions. With a jury, the jury works on the factual questions and the judge still handles the legal questions. So that's the difference between a bench trial and a jury trial. The other thing is, I can guarantee bench trials are quicker because there's 7 people that are involved in the jury trial that don't get involved in a bench trial, the jurors. You follow me? So the process itself moves quicker with a bench trial. You have to tell me what one you want, because it's your choice.
Who's handling and stuff, because if it's Crystal, it's wrong. Because it was like 2 days here.
What's her problems on Thursdays?
She's in house for,
Yeah. And Mr. Dunbar, and you might want to talk to Mr. Bowditch about him representing you, because she just told me we never get Crystal on Thursdays because she's in house in Lincoln Park. And this has got to be well, Van Buren's always Thursdays now.
have her,
Oh, what are they going to be Thursdays next year?
I have Van Buren on, December 22nd.
What day is that?
Monday. I don't even know if we should be, yeah. But we have December.
22nd.
Miss Medina's scheduled to be here on other matters.
What's that?
Miss Medina's scheduled to be here on other matters on the 22nd.
Should we check with her before we set it?
I don't know if she's scheduled here.
Oh, I thought you,
We have.
we have Angela here on the
we have
22nd.
Angela
Okay,
on Monday.
all right.
Let me.
Let's find out. So did he say he was waiving?
Yes.
So you want to waive your jury and schedule for bench with me?
Yes. Here.
All right, so just give us a minute. We're gonna confirm dates.
You got waiting on this lunch.
I don't think so.
So Mr. Starr.
Yeah, let's confirm. Excuse me. We don't have any other Zoomers, do we?
When?
Right now.
Yes, we have 3.
Okay. Who? Oh, those ones you told me about.
Yours and now Cassie Cole, Kolle, just logged in from a jail.
So yes, we have Zoomers. Sure.
I mean, unless after this one.
She's out of town on the 22nd. She's gonna be on she's. So,
Okay. We're probably gonna just.
whatever you want to do on that one.
Maybe I'm thinking. January 12th, it would be. I'll be her.
Yeah, 1 second. She's on that.
The older losers are cold.
Yeah, he's got the office. Yeah, he's. Okay,
I like listening.
all right,
She's on the record, Judge, but Angela's trying.
Thank you.
Mr. Bowditch?
Ma'am.
I didn't do January 22nd.
Yeah, and then she wants to December 18th.
Oh, no, she wants December.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Okay, I thought I gave December 18th.
No, that's the other way.
Oh, I apologize.
It was the other.
But she wanted to be in person.
Okay.
Because where she says she.
Okay. So should I say? No, I got the watch. I can check.
Yeah, okay. She don't get
If- Oh, she can be the restitution.
You say that.
Okay, all right, I'll write it up in a second. One thing.
You have to go next and do that on day.
Let me, when I hear back, I'll pop it. Okay?
Yeah, yeah. I'll speak. Can you forward that for Osborne?
Sure. Can I have that? Just hold on the old notice, I'll get it.
Yeah. Probably Jones.
Now,
And put my own keyboard.
I'm sending somebody out.
Very good.
We're still,
We have afternoon sessions.
we're still worried about or working on the game.
Yes, yes.
It's you, Jeff. This is your each. And I'll put it further than we did. We're right yours up now, Mr. Carter, bench fire.
H-O-L-D-E.
You gave us Thursday, December 18th, 9 AM, this fall. Have you? Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Just a run in this case.
Wait a minute, you might need this, you have notes.
Bye.
Another year.
This one?
Yes, ma'am.
Damn, John, man.
And around me, someone who's there. Exactly. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Who's the vote? One is for you. Yeah. And then I'll give you guys the property is.
All right.
It's covered. Okay, it's Thursday, January 2nd, 9:10 a.m. It's on Zoom. Please try to meet. I'll talk to you away from the house. Yep. Laura, I don't know my name.
Yeah, you got to see me.
And I don't mind seeing you. Good seeing you.
Me too. All right.
Yep.
Dennis.
That young man. You should see him all the time.
I'm not gonna leave.
He was young. We were just having that conversation downstairs. He goes, man, when you used to deal with me, I was like 18, 19 years old. Yeah, I was. I just spoke well this.
Mhm.
Get back lost.
That I heard back from Miss Vicky now.
Now we lost Heather.
Yeah, but she said the 12th is a good date if we do it later in the morning, which since it's a bench trial, I suspect we would,
Yeah, was that December 12th?
January 12th. Because that's our ordinance day in January.
Mr. Dunbar, January 12th?
Doing the notice?
She will, yeah.
You know, if you did.
Thank you, Miss Manorino.
Heather went to look for a sandwich. She said she'd starve him.
She'll survive.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Pick the date, January 12th.
January 12th is good.
Is that a Zoom also?
Yeah, custody.
Thank you.
Do that one real quick.
Yeah, what's the name?
Casey.
Kolle.
Something like that, yeah.
Coley?
Yes,
Ma'am, how do you pronounce your name?
it's Coley, Kolle.
Thank you. Go ahead, Council.
All right, so we can start on behalf of Ms. Coley. Ms. Coley, state your name.
Cassie, Kassie, Coley, Kolle.
You stand you, go ahead for a reading. Your Honor, the company resolution whereby I should be pleading guilty to charge of retail fraud as a determined by restitution. I believe of
104.95.
along with the recommendation of time.
Thank you. All right, Miss Coley, do you understand your rights and options?
Yes, Your Honor.
And you understand the possible penalty for retail fraud charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to this charge today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you try to take some merchandise from a store without paying for it in Van Buren Township on April 16 of 2024?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll accept your plea. How long have you been in custody?
I've been here since July 2nd.
Long time. All right.
2025.
I'm gonna give you 30 days in jail and give you credit for 30 days. I'm gonna close this file out. What's your out date? Do you know?
I've been approved to go to inpatient treatment, so I just been
For
waiting to
you.
take this court date so that I can be
Good,
released.
good. Where are you going inpatient?
Bear Rivers. It's
Never heard of them.
up north. I hear it's excellent.
Good, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Hold on just a minute.
It's the June, and it's been registered. I can send.
And they can just print her there.
Yeah. there you go.
All right. So what I'm hesitating on is I need to get you fingerprinted on this charge. We're gonna send some paperwork to the jail where you're at to hopefully let them do the prints while you're there.
Okay.
All right. So I'm done with you other than the print end.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Any questions for Mr. Starr before I terminate the meeting?
No, I appreciate the sentence. I appreciate this so that I can go to treatment and get my
You're
life.
welcome. And good luck with the treatment.
Thank you. You have a good day.
Thank you.
Or keeping it. We're-
No, scratch that, scratch.
It's the date that.
Oh, I thought I did that.
Plea withdrawn.
Oh, on your notes for today. Oh.
You must be really hungry, Jamie.
Uh-huh. Mhm. Judge,
Yeah.
Teresa's in the middle of a bench trial, which is gonna be a while. They just got notice of a violation of what? Of probation violation TV. Oh, have they went 10,010%. She wants to know if you can do it. We have probation this afternoon. Tell them to jump on it 1:30. Yeah, tell Marlisa 1:30, have everything ready, give it to Emily. Goodbye. Mr. Dunn, you get your stuff ready.
I went to this website to try to get some information. I've got this live chat going. I can't get it to go. Oh.
Talk to ChatGPT or whoever it is.
Who's the guy that's hanging out at the railings on the phone right now?
That's, he's with.
Oh, he's just moral support for him.
Okay.
Mr. Bowditch, you got something ready?
No, Your Honor, I'm waiting to find somebody to talk to.
Okay.
I can't do the file right now. But let me move Mr. Bowditch now.
She's still not in the breakout.
I'm sorry.
Miss Yoder's still not in the breakout room.
I'm thinking.
Oh, okay. I thought you were trying to put her in with Bowditch.
Do we need to be fingerprint ordered on both files? If we could put both case numbers on one paperwork?
I have to put the case numbers on it because I messed that up one. I think.
Miss Yoder, can you hear me all right?
Yes, I can, Mr. Oakley.
All right.
I call this star on behalf of Ms. Yoder. Ms. Yoder, state your name.
Jessica Yoder.
Thank you. This is a rain court date, stand mute, waiting for Marie. Your Honor, we're asking you to come back for a pretrial so I can obtain a survey.
All right.
Bond purposes, we asked for a personal bond. She was being here for the waiting. She didn't know about this previously, but when she found out, she did.
All right. Miss Yoder, you're in Washtenaw County Jail?
No, I'm not, sir. I'm at Oakdale Recovery Center.
Oh, good for you. How long you been there?
I've been here for 14 days.
Good. So how long you been clean and sober now?
108.
Good for you. Good for you.
Thank you.
All right. So, all right. Yeah, we'll get you a court date set up. What was that date you picked? January what? 22nd?
22nd, Judge Martin.
Time?
June 9/20.
All right. I'm going to put you on a personal bond on these two files.
Thank you, sir. When was my next court date?
I'm sorry, say it again.
When is the next court date?
January 22nd.
Okay.
We're going to do it at 9:30 in the morning or 9:20 in the morning. So
Okay.
if we mail you something to the Miller address we've got on the file, are you going to get that mail?
Yes, I will, sir.
All right. Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of I'm writing 20 while I'm trying to talk, in the amount of $1,000 on each of these files if you screw up on bond?
Yes, sir.
All right. So stay out of trouble and show up for court. And it's on Zoom on that date, January 22nd. Any
Yes.
questions?
No, Your Honor, I don't.
You
Actually,
put your hand
yes.
down. Go ahead.
I'm sorry. I believe I have a couple other warrants through your court for money issues.
Yeah, I was just going to ask you about those. So I've got one file from 2019, drove while license suspended, and then I got 3 Sumter tickets from 2022. No insurance, seatbelt violation, registration or plate charge. Those all add up to $2,286. Are you in a position to make any kind of a payment arrangement? Can you commit to some kind of payments?
Not until like the first of the year, I can start making payments.
Let's do this. I'm going to put on these files. I'm just going to put on review January 22nd when you're here for your other one. So when you're here for Judge Martin on that file, she's going to bring this up.
Okay.
So like have a plan.
No problem.
All right. So you'll be able to tell her, Judge, I've got $400 set aside and then I want to make payments at $50 a month or whatever.
Okay.
All right.
Yes. Thank you very much.
All right. Yeah. Because the money's important, but not as important as recovery.
Right.
So let's focus on that.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Those are got late when they just walked in, last the breaks. You want to take them?
Sure.
Rice, he said?
Oh, Rice, Aaron Rice.
Rice, like the food?
Yes. I mean, I don't see a Bryce somewhere.
Well, I'm looking for rice. No. I've got real.
He's early. He's a probation.
Oh. I'll give you the pleasure of that.
Mr. Bowditch is ready.
Mr. Bowditch, are you ready?
I'm ready on Mr. Lewis, Your Honor.
Mr. Lewis, go ahead and unmute.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Go ahead, counsel.
Your Honor, for the record.
No audio. You might as well come on in, Mr. Bowditch. The audio is cutting in and out. Mr. Bowditch, come in the courtroom. You completely froze up. No, you are. Yeah, look. That ain't you. Your appearance for Mr. Lewis.
About speaking on behalf of Mr. Lewis. Mr. Lewis, could you tell the judge your name for the record, please?
Robert James Lewis.
Thanks. You're taking now for arraignment in this matter, this 23 case, waiting for reading standing. We've also had a chance to pre-try this case. In this matter, Mr. Lewis wishes to plead guilty to the charge from 2023, possession of narcotic paraphernalia. With the understanding since December of 2024 until September of 2025, Mr. Lewis has been incarcerated. He's been released from custody, and he has a litany of accomplishments since he's been released from prison. We were hoping the court might consider time served in this matter. He told me he had written plea by mails and things. We were hoping he could make time served.
Yeah. All right, Mr. Lewis, you understand your rights and options?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
And you understand the possible penalty for this misdemeanor charge?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to this charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, I am.
On March 21, 2023, did you come in contact with officers in Van Buren Township?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
And at that time, did you possess some kind of paraphernalia that you should not have had?
Yes, sir, Your Honor, I did.
And what was that?
Crack pipe.
Okay. All right. So I'll accept your plea. Tell me everything you've been doing since you got out.
So, since I got out, I successfully completed intensive outpatient. But before getting out, I completed life skills class. I got a certificate of completion for that. I have the Don Farms substance abuse that I did while incarcerated. I completed that. I did 24 class hours of Parables for Jesus. Successfully completed that. I'm seeing a therapist once a week. I'm in outpatient right now. I'm in sober living at Bear River Health. I successfully completed Recovery Coach Academy. I'm a certified recovery coach now.
Awesome.
I've completely changed my life around.
Awesome. Good for you. Good for you. So how long are you going to be where you're at?
To be completely honest with you, I can stay basically from what they say, as long as I'm doing what I'm supposed to, I can basically stay as long as I want. I have no intentions to leave. I just accepted a job at Bear River. I'll be starting there within the next 2 weeks. So I don't plan on going anywhere. I do not plan on going back downstate, Your Honor.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Good for you. Yeah. So what was your drug of choice?
Crack cocaine.
Yeah. And prior to this stint of sobriety, how long has it been since you were sober? When you weren't using?
2021. So I went on a 3-year binge.
I bet if we sat down over a cup, you can tell me all kinds of ways you screwed things up.
Oh, without a question. And that's exactly what I do today. I use my experience as strength to give hope.
Yeah. You sound like you've got an education.
I
I don't have an education. I'm going to further my education. I start classes in January so I can get my degree to be a substance abuse counselor.
Man, good luck.
Oh, yeah.
Where'd
Thank
you go
you,
to high
Your
school
Honor.
at, Mr. Lewis?
I went to Milan High School in Milan, Michigan.
Yeah. How'd you do academically?
Honor roll student.
Yeah. You got something on the ball. Yeah. Man, I'd love to sit down and have a conversation with you. All right.
I would
So
love to too. You know what? And if I think that that would be great, not only for me and you, but for all of the ones that would be able to hear the conversation that we had, and to be able to see a judge actually talking to a defendant, and just for that to bridge that gap
yeah.
in the justice system, I think would be a great experience.
So where is Fair River located? Bear River.
Bear River is located in Boyne City, Michigan.
Yeah. Okay.
I live in one of their houses in
Yeah.
Lansing. In
You're in
Lansing, Michigan.
Lansing? All right.
I'm
So
in
here's what.
Lansing.
Oh, okay. Allison.
Allanson.
Yeah, gotcha.
Lansing. Yep.
So so this might be heaven ordained. So I just got an email that we just hired a new juvenile probation officer. We had an offer on the table and he just accepted it today. So I just saw that email a few minutes, just like literally a half hour ago. You're so articulate and well spoken. Send. I'm assuming you've got computer privileges.
I do.
Yeah. So my secretary is going to chat you an email address. I want you to send me an email, a proposal, how you think that you could help our juvenile program with your life experience.
Okay.
Wouldn't you
I would be honored.
wouldn't you love the ability to be able to talk to the Robert Lewis of 15 years ago and
Oh,
keep you
man.
from going on the road you went?
Without a question, I heaven ordained. I believe that I couldn't have said that better myself. I'm
Yeah.
honored, Your Honor.
Yeah. So I hate Zoom, virtual technology, but man, it would really be helpful in some situation like this because you wouldn't even have to drive downstate. We could just put a bunch of kids in a room and get you on a screen.
I would love that.
Yeah. So you send me an email. What I'm going to do is I'm going to send that on to our juvenile probation officer. He doesn't start till January, but I'm gonna tell him that I just was really impressed by my conversation today and think that you could be an asset to us. All right.
Man, thank you so much, Your Honor. I greatly appreciate that.
You're welcome. And I'd give you a big pat on the back if you were here because you really have turned yourself around. It's like a 2.0 Robert Lewis.
It is.
Yeah.
To God be the
Yeah. All
glory.
right. So back to business. I'm going to send you to 30 days in jail, 30 days credit, and close this file out. Cool.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Now I'm going to get an email, right?
You are going to get an email. You probably will have it on your desk. You'll have it in your emails tomorrow morning. I'm gonna write it tonight.
Thank you. I look forward to doing some kind of collaboration with you.
Thank you, Your Honor. I greatly appreciate it.
Enjoy
So she's
your
going
day.
to send me an email, correct?
She chatted it through Zoom. She chatted you an email address. Make sure you got it before I kick you off the meeting.
No, I don't have. I went to the chat and I don't see anything I'm in the chat as we speak. I don't see anything in the chat. Nobody said anything. I saw it come across. And then now I don't have access to it. It says one message. Oh, there it is. I got it. Okay.
You got it?
Yeah, I'm screenshotting it as we speak. And I got it.
Good to go.
Thank you so very much.
You're welcome very much. Have a lovely day.
Have a good day, sir. Thank you. Bye.
So we're done, right?
Yeah, I think, no, I know.